who else is doing this on today? Yeah, Isaac.
Yo, yeah. I'm out.
Ah! That was loud, bro. I'm gonna shoot you. No, joking, bro. I'll shoot myself. That's it? That's it.
It's 10.
Oh, that was loud.
But just barely.
Bro, it smells like fart, bro.
It smells so bad.
Well, I'm gonna shoot the.
Oh,
Yeah,
shoot.
bro.
Bro, what? I don't know how to open these. I'm Mexican. I don't know how to do
No,
it.
you don't have to open it. That's
That's
it.
this? That's what
just
you light on?
Bro, I'm gonna shoot it like I shoot my Mexican friends. What?
That's it?
Oh.
My Mexicano.
That's what's happening, Isaac.
Yes.
It's on fire, bro.
There you go.
Here. Go.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Is this normal?
Oh, no.
That's not normal! Ah!
Oh, wait.
Dude, is that it?
It pooped on
Wait,
my mouth.
Stupid thing.
Watch out.
Here's the lighter.
It peed on my mouth at the beginning. Save one for my sister. Or just save all of them for whoever else is out here. Ready?
Whoa!
I'll just see how close it could
Killed
be.
me.
That's it.
Did you only bring Roman candles?
No, there's a couple other things in there. I think like smoke bombs and...
Oh, yeah. Smoke bombs you can't see at night. Ha!
You can't?
Not really.
There's not much stuff out here. I just brought up a couple of stuff.
Oh.
Here. Only because he... Oh, why don't they smoke bombs in Fortnite?
Let's do 5 of them at a time.
They used to.
Just do a lot.
Yeah. Can you hold it, Josh? Is it still filming?
Can you hold the phone?
Yeah.
Remember?
Keep it away from your hand as soon as they light.
This is a dumb idea.
That's alright.
Here, let me hold them.
It's Mexican.
Oh, that's
None of them are light, bro. I mean, one of them is. He's used to all of them.
Okay, I'll just do 3 at a time.
There you go. Dang.
Man, that was only one of them.
I threw like a bug.
Oh, shoot, it's wet.
Wet.
Oh, it's blue.
Wet. No, now they're never gonna light, bruh.
I believe they can. They can.
Here, wait. The little,
Do 2 at a time.
the little smoke bomb that couldn't.
There we go. The little smoke bomb that couldn't. Oh, let's get that.
Oh! Green!
Okay.
Like St. Paul's!
Yeah.
Yeet!
Nice.
Wait, would it hurt if I hold it in my hands while smoking?
No.
Yeah, I don't know. You're gonna try it?
Yeah.
We could get a video of it just in case it blows your fingers off.
Bro,
You got scared? Yeah, it won't hurt at all, I don't think.
I'm vaping, bro!
Oh, look at Mo.
Oh, vape!
That one came out alive, bro.
Bro, I made a smoke ring.
Where's the other ball?
I'm gonna smoke what?
That's like literal vape.
Fireworks. Where's the lighter?
Huh? It's right here. But there's more smoke bombs.
Yeah.
Alright,
Yeah, I just had a few smoke bombs in there.
this is how you vape, bro. I'm vaping, bro.
Oh, you have the red bait, bro. Yours aren't that fast, Josh. Dang.
Bro, it tastes like
Bro,
butt.
we could be vloggers, bro.
Bro, it tastes like butt.
Wait, let me get one of these, bro. Logan Paul here
Blow one.
with all my Jake Paul fans.
Bro, you gotta put it close to your chest.
Oh, yeah.
It's not gonna work.
Yeah, well.
Whoa.
Not anymore. Wait, yeah, actually good.
That's amazing,
They're
Isaac.
super hot.
You made a...
There we go.
Oh no, oh no.
Oh, dude, that looks cool, bro. The flame's in my hand. Ow.
Alright.
That's lit. Is there more smoke bombs in there or not?
Yeah.
How much more? Not many?
Yeah, there's more right here.
There's 5 more in here, too.
There's 3, no 4 right here.
Is that lighter?
Yeah, you take it. Yeah.
Wait, is this
Let's all get like a couple.
I
and
got
then
4.
Put them together. And then put all the smoke together.
fire.
Hey, bro, that's clean, bro.
No, dang, that's on my hand. Dang.
Nitrous oxide.
I'm gonna burn my hand.
But
You guys are...
brother, taste
You gonna do one?
smells.
Coach, what, you gonna do one? I know it smells weird, bro. Get the water action right here. Get up real close, bro. Let me get all the smoke.
Dang, this one has a lot.
Dang, bro.
You're puffing a lot, bro. Dang. Bro. That smells bad, dude.
Oh, man.
Good thing they're biodegradable. Not really, but.
Yeah, not really.
Bro, wait, we got punked.
Let's see.
Montage.
Let's see, bro. Ooh.
Why is it not?
Okay.
Bro. Hey, let me see.
Are you gonna punk it? What else is in there? Oh, there's more. Dang. There's a lot more.
Put it away.
So, should we throw one at her?
No.
Should I throw it, Gabe? At her?
Sure.
Well, you're gonna get in the pool.
Oh.
That's not a good idea. Wait.
Where'd it go? Oh, it died. Bro, where is it?
It exploded.
Did it really? Wait, where did it hit though? Oh, dude. What the heck? You broke it. We threw a smoke bomb up here.
Why?
Why not? We're trying to hit Grace.
We try to hit what?
I tried throwing it over the dude. There's a little smoke one.
Look, it's a
so
doggo.
you hear
It's a
me? I was
doggo.
like,
It's a doggo.
you're about to hit me.
I didn't know you did that. I just knew it was coming.
Save some of these for Baby J
That's
whenever he
like-
gets out here.
Here,
hold it.
I kind of.
Make Angel hold it.
What?
Come here. Let's go, John.
She's coming. She's getting her.
Hold this in your hand,
No, wait, she has days.
and then we're gonna light it off.
Wait, where?
It doesn't explode. The bottom. It doesn't explode.
Dude, this looks like
Send smoke off. Here, he needs a light.
this looks like
You hold it in your hand. It
a
doesn't-
lollipop.
Hold it like this way.
Wait, no, this is how you bake.
Where do I throw it?
You don't. Just hold it in your hand. It doesn't hurt.
All right,
Isaac,
bet.
look.
Yeah, set it off real fast. Oh yeah, it's smoking.
You stop moving.
Hold it still.
I'm
dude.
trying. Okay.
There you go. Hold it in your hand. Yeah,
Hey.
My bad.
look at that, bro.
I don't know
Run.
where. Someone have a flashlight? No.
No.
This is our flashlight.
Why?
I dropped it.
Yeah, they're in that package.
Oh, you dropped it. I got it.
Wait.
I can't
Wait.
see the package.
Light it up over there. Isaac.
No.
Oh, you already did a package?
I told them to say something to
Trying to
you.
hold it.
Just stop moving.
I'm trying not to. I'm sorry.
It's hard, huh?
It's hard.
Stop. You
There we
can't-
go. There we go.
You're not supposed
Yeah, hold
to
it in
move.
your
Wait,
hand. Hold it in your
don't
hand.
step over there because there's something's wet over there.
What the heck? Where am I supposed to go?
Get that video. Just hold it.
Are you,
I can't open
Stinks,
this.
huh?
smells weird.
It's blue.
Here, it's plastic.
I tried ripping it.
There.
There you go. You ripped it.
I didn't rip it. I just burned it.
Thank you. Someone like
Hey,
this?
want a smoke bomb?
Do it, but not that far.
Take it. It's yellow.
That's
Yeah.
already lit.
It's yeller.
Wait,
What happened?
the back is ripped off.
Where's that?
Oh, it must be just defective. Get another one.
I'm ready.
It's hard to hold.
I'm ready.
Hold it at the bottom of your hand.
Face,
Yeah.
bro.
Back of the back.
Oh, bye.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Yep.
I'm pointing it the right way, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. Mike.
Hopefully.
No,
That's
it's
gonna hurt.
I'm gonna face that one.
Heck yeah, boy.
No, you might want to move away from the fireworks.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Party.
Because it doesn't smoke.
All gone.
Would that be better?
Baby
Just
J
shoot the
can.
fence
I
or
don't know what
something.
it is.
Wait, I need a.
Need a light?
Bang.
Lame.
Woo. Woo.
I feel like it's
Yeah.
rising. Oh, it's
Oh, what the heck?
oh, angels.
All gone.
That's
Lighter's
it.
not working.
Here, just let me do it.
You're not working. You got a punk.
Watch out, guys. Watch out.
Hey, shoot me. Shoot
Hey, aim it. Aim it at Josh.
Shoot me.
That one right over his head. That one right over your head, bro.
It doesn't actually hurt.
Yeah, do it.
Don't turn your face.
Yeah, why don't you turn your face?
Bro, I saw that bug. No way.
Dang, that one right over your head, bro. You want to light that off, bro?
What is this? Do I have to
It's 100 like firecrackers.
Hey, I want you to
throw
send that to me.
No, it's like
Hey, I want you to send that to me.
I will once I edit it.
Once I edit
Edit it.
Ooh, I want to do that mug.
Where's the?
Here, I'll light it. I'll light it.
We have two. We have two. You can do. You can light the other one.
No,
I
wait,
can light
just
that
rip
one.
it out.
You got it, Josh.
Wait, here, can I see the light?
Wait, look at the ground. I want to see that.
Oh, it's on the other side.
It's in the middle.
Where'd it
It's in
go?
the middle. There's wicks in the middle.
You even slice that to me?
Alright.
Oh, you got it? No.
What are y'all doing?
One fell.
No, not right there.
Isaac.
Yeah, I don't know where.
No.
So I just light
Oh, well,
this
it
thing and
doesn't
then
Light in
go?
the middle. Light in the middle.
No, bro.
Right in
Let
the
me do
middle.
it. No, wait.
Okay, yeah,
just
you take
this-
over and then throw
What
it.
the heck?
Yeah, go for
Put it
it.
on the ground. Put it on the ground. Just put it on the ground and light all of it at one time.
Yeah. Where do you want to throw it? No, that's harder to throw.
Yeah.
Here, hold these. Wait, we could shoot one of these at
Is
it.
this one? No, it's not.
You didn't even light it.
I,
If you hear psst, it's lighted.
oh, that was fast, bro.
Yeah, I know.
That was fast.
Hey, wait, I got you. Wait,
Wait, where's the whole row?
here, look at it.
Hey, over here. Over here.
I'm gonna shoot it.
Over here.
I'm gonna shoot it.
Oh, he's gonna shoot at it.
Is it gonna work?
We don't know. We're gonna find out though.
Yeah, set the grass on fire.
What?
Yeah.
There's something in there. No.
What the heck? Thanks.
That
stupid.
was
Just go light it, just go
so
light it.
anticlimactic.
Just go light it. Light it right in the middle.
Yeah. Oh, this is gonna be quick though.
Yeah, it's gonna be fast, but
You have to run away as quick as you can.
no, the top's a little bit longer.
Run, 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 run!
That's so loud.
Ow.
Oh, dude.
Watch out, what if another one goes off?
No, wait. Light it in the crook of this. Wait, Josh, wait.
Wait.
It'll be louder if you put it right here.
But we
Here,
won't see
guys,
it.
get to know. Come to this
Oh, just
side.
come to this side.
Come to this side. Come to this side. Here. You want to use this? Or not?
Oh, you got it.
Run!
Oh no, it hasn't light.
Just come to this side.
Oh,
Told you it was louder.
dang.
What did I tell you?
We have one more, right?
Yeah.
But wasn't that louder on that side? Wait, where's the thingies?
What?
The big things.
The
Right
punks?
No, the big, the arrow and candles?
Are they out?
Yeah. I'm pretty sure they're all gone.
Yeah. Pretty sure. Wait, no, there's one more in that package. One more, bro. Just for you.
Want to try to shoot it again or something?
I don't know.
Yeah, we can try to shoot it. Here, put the thing down somewhere.
Here, put it back in this. It was a lot louder, right?
Oh yeah, it was loud. You gonna shoot at it? Dang,
Alright,
bro.
I'm gonna take it out to this thing.
Yeah, alright, go for it. But don't make them all fall apart though.
No. I was just gonna take it out.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Baby J, what are you doing?
Chilling, bro.
Chilling.
Yeah, you are chilling. It's so cold.
Yeah, for real.
Alright, so just shoot that. Okay, shoot right there.
Good, shoot at the top, see if it works.
Ready?
Oh,
Watch out, guys.
You're shooting at it, it might bounce up. Baby J, watch out, yeah.
Aim right at the top.
Oh.
Almost. A little lower. Oh, how's that not work? Oh! Bro, as soon as I heard that sound,
There we go. There we go.
Bro, I got scared.
Dang, bro. Yeah, that was crazy.
Chilling there for a second. I heard that. Oh. Wait, we got some in the garage.
You do? Start it. Oh my god. All right, we got a lot more.
Here's some
All
more Roman candles.
Okay.
Heck
Can I
yeah.
share one? I wanna share
Yeah, you can share.
Here's a fountain. Here's some of the blow up thingies. Another fountain.
You want to light up the little thing, Jacob?
Wait here.
Oh,
Let
no,
me.
Jacob's not here. John.
Wait, let me see this.
You want to light up the these?
We get that in the video.
Get my hand in
That's
it.
one thing?
Yeah, like, put your
Here,
hand in it.
relight this.
Put my
We
hand
like
in it.
the. Yeah, there you go.
Here, relight this. Can somebody else hold it?
That's one thing.
Hold on. This thing?
Yeah.
Okay, hold
Here, somebody hold it and light it.
Wait, you're supposed to burn the plastic?
No, I was just burning it to open it.
No, just zip it open, bro.
Yeah, it was. It was connected by a zip tie.
Oh.
See, more
Oh, we
smoke.
got more smoke bombs, though. Oh,
Yeah, I want to do it. I want to do it.
these
I
are
want to do it.
light.
Oh, bro, these things are loud.
Wait, how do you open these? I'll open
I
them.
want to do it.
So
I
are
wanna
these.
Do it, I want to do it. I
You
want
can
to do
pretend to
it.
smoke, bro.
Huh?
You can pretend to vape. What? That's
Wait,
what we
those
did.
might
Did
be
we
the.
take
No,
a
wait.
video
I
or
think
what?
those are the exploding ones.
These ones are the
Are you
best.
supposed to open the top, Isaac, on this?
Sparkler.
Wait,
I
let
love
me
the
see.
It said open.
Here's
Use this.
some worms.
Open.
I think.
What
Yeah,
do you
open,
say?
open, yeah.
This is
Open it up
my
there.
hand. I just wanna.
What did he say?
He said that
And just leave it in here?
that
No, you can take it out.
now, but
No, leave it in there. Leave it in there. Yeah, leave it in
How'd
there.
that happen?
It's a trigger gun.
Oh, you just shoot it? That's it?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Oh, wait 1 second. Sorry. We're going to light this off. Watch out.
Oh, the fountain.
Yep. Jump to it, Josh. Jump to it.
Almost fell in the mud.
Wait.
Dang.
Where's the lighter?
I don't have a lighter. I think Josh does.
This is gonna be annoying. Here, wait.
Quacking duck.
No, it's a screaming chicken.
Oh, it's a chicken? Oh, so it's a duck. Put it down.
Fix it. Hurry. You have time.
Nah. Oh,
No, you don't have
Is that
time.
it?
Then
Wow,
wait,
what
what are
the heck?
these?
those are smoke bombs, but they like real light.
They're not smoke bombs.
They're not? What are they?
No, they're explode.
Oh, I might not want to hold those in your hand then.
No, watch out.
Cover it.
Wait, no, they are. Smoke bombs.
I told you.
Wait.
I would.
Uncover it.
Yeah, those are smoke bombs.
Oh, it's a smoke bomb.
Oh, no. I thought it was an exploding one.
Ah, that freaking burn, brother.
Really?
Yes.
Let me see. What?
Oh, I gotta burn too.
Wait, where'd that go?
Looks like you peeled an orange.
Here, now these.
Yes.
Wait,
wait.
It's okay, yes.
I dropped the
Here, wait.
firework.
These ones don't explode.
No, I burnt myself.
Oh,
Hold on.
Right.
Guys, I
Okay.
dropped the firework.
Wait,
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
it's not gonna explode.
Oh, it's not?
And then watch it.
It's not gonna explode. It's gonna spin.
Wait,
Until
guys,
the
I dropped
end.
one.
Where are the Roman candles?
Guys, I dropped one.
What'd you drop?
Oh, here it is.
Oh,
No,
you got it.
I don't know if it is. Can you see a flashlight?
I do.
Yeah, you can start someone again. What are you doing?
Watch out.
Oh, watch out, watch out, watch out.
It's the other side.
Where is it? Oh, it's over there.
Here.
Scared the crap out of me. Alright.
What are these? See? Oh, these suck. But they're good.
What is it?
Because they're
Wait, they suck, but
fountains.
they're good,
They're
too?
fountains.
Oh, there's
Oh,
fountains.
okay. You can save the fountains for when Jacob comes because he likes the small stuff.
Well, then he can have these.
None of the stuff is big.
The exploding ones.
What'd you throw?
I think the air.
Well, that was very.
What'd you throw?
The air might have put it out.
Yeah, the air.
Because it's
Oh, bro.
Do that.
Dang, that's.
Alright.
I'm gonna go look for it.
These don't explode. They
You're looking at-
flash.
Here.
Oh yeah.
Wait,
it's
film it,
raining.
film it, film it.
Oh, we might want to hurry.
Why?
It's raining.
It's been raining the whole time.
Yeah.
sprinkling, but it's starting
I
to.
never saw nothing.
I don't know if I can get this in the video.
Oh, is this
It's
the
gonna be
crazy one
bright.
again?
No.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not. Okay, now it's getting brighter.
Oh my.
Caesars!
How many of those are there?
Oh, there's like 6.
That's really bright.
That's like, oh my gosh, dude, that's so bright.
Oh, God, my eyes!
Dude, that's like really bright.
The 3 of them right here.
Hey, Gabe, you want to get the portable charger?
Huh?
Josh's phone's about to die. You want to get the portable?
It's all lit. It's gonna light anyway.
I'm going to have to put a Caesar warning on this video. It's like really bright, dang. What'd you put in there?
Plastic.
Oh, just plastic. Okay. Oh, I see the
The
light,
ones that
guys.
explode or flame?
Dang.
I don't know.
I can take
Smoke one. Fountain. Oh, here they are.
What are those? Like M80s or what?
They're the ones that spin and
Oh,
explode, I
those
think.
ones that spin.
I think so.
All right, we'll find out. Let's go, Josh.
Wait, hey.
He's doing it
I
hot.
got more.
Hot to hot. You gotta throw that out. I'll get closer.
What
to
the heck?
it. No, it's fine. Holy crap. All right, we're good. Yeah, that's it. It just
Oh, these ones just
spins like a top.
I can't even see it.
That's real nice. I'll zoom in on it.
Toasting your roast?
What the heck?
Here.
I couldn't have a much real fast, bro.
Where is it?
Whoa. Dang, that was loud.
Do you not know where apple treasure is?
Dang.
Where's yours?
Mine?
Is
It's
the
plugged
apple
on the
charger
wall.
like right there?
Oh, these.
Hey
right
guys,
there.
tell me when you do the loud one so you can cover his ears.
Is that Jacob? Say hi to the video, Jacob.
Hi.
Let's go on YouTube.
Like these two while you're at
You want to do a Roman candle?
Oh, those are fun.
You want to do?
it. No.
We're doing loud stuff.
Thought he wasn't scared of them.
You can be loud, bro.
Hey, don't do it yet till Jacob
Yeah,
does
don't,
his candle.
yeah, don't do that. Yeah. Jacob's gonna.
Jacob, I'm right here. Here.
Stop.
Come here.
No,
Jacob,
no,
go.
He's going
back
down.
up.
No, bro, it's
back
alright.
up.
Here, stand on the ground. There's nothing going on right now.
No.
Haley.
You're gonna do a candle with me.
Come on, bro. Hold it. Come on.
Where's it at? Where's the
It's
candle?
right here.
No, it's fine, bro. Look.
Do it with her, Jacob.
Michelin man. It's
Ready?
okay, bro.
It's like the one for Fortnite. It's, you just hold it and then it
then
like
it
does
shoots
it
it.
soft. You guys can do it together.
It's not loud.
It
bro.
doesn't explode.
It's not loud, dude.
It's not scary.
No, seriously.
Come on, bro. It's alright.
You can watch me do
It's
it
not
first.
scary.
Yeah, watch you do it
Jacob,
first.
come here. Look.
Watch you do it
Jacob,
first.
look. Look how
Jacob,
quiet it
come
is.
Look, just look.
Why'd you peel the whole
Look.
thing off?
Starting to rain.
I thought you weren't scared.
Do you have another thing lit up?
No, we just have to get closer.
Kind of.
It's not scary. I promise.
I know.
It's just gonna shoot a light in the
Look
sky.
at my hand. Holy crap. Put some holding
Bro,
those.
don't shove it in the thing.
Gabe, you wanna help?
Yes.
No, oh, we had it. Dang it. This is not working.
Hold on.
You good?
Oh, Gabe's coming back. Gabe's coming back.
Here, you need it.
Nah, try
The
that.
heck?
Wow, you're so smart.
Thank you.
Is that why
That's
you're in
fucking
college?
Taylor, what are you doing?
What the heck?
Oh, I thought
Sounded like.
Sound like something farted.
Yeah, that's what it
I
sounded
thought Gabe was back there
You
going.
got a lighter?
Yeah.
Cool.
We're gonna. Sure, try mine.
Yikes!
Oh, he has one of those. That's gonna hurt my nails.
We just pulled that in my pocket.
Bro, these are hard.
Let me try. Oh, you got it. All right. There you go. Heads up.
Well, he's
Run.
He's been lighting them, so.
Run. Don't listen.
Yeah, just don't.
Did you not see that?
Yes.
All right, let me see that one real fast.
Well, why
You got
is it
it?
moving?
You gonna hold that one in your hand or no?
Okay.
No, don't hold it.
So that lights on
If it
fire.
gets hot, just drop it.
Oh, wait, that's it.
Yeah, wave your wand in there.
Another Roman candle, Isaac.
You're getting the smoke. Oh no, Roman candle. All right.
It's the wrong way.
Grace.
Oh my god.
Hold it up, hold it up.
Wait, that was so weak.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh, it's smoking so much you can't even see.
Before it burns up.
Oh, you can't even see it. So much
You got a
smoke.
weak one.
Oh, I got it hooked.
So big.
Alright, where's that lighter?
Write my name.
Yeah.
Josh has the name.
Josh,
I
write
have
my
it.
name.
What the heck?
Stop! Dude, that
Josh, write my name.
I would not do that.
No, write my name.
Wait, can you see your name?
Okay,
See the rain?
That was just a whole big.
You can see the rain.
What
Yeah, I
that
see the
was.
rain. You see it?
Oh yeah, I can see it in real life. I can see it in my
Lighter?
videos. What's Gabe like? What's Gabe like? You gonna have a fountain party?
What?
Want to cycle over it?
Oh, sure.
Here, hold my
It's gonna be
glasses.
smaller.
Huh?
Hold my glasses.
Okay.
What?
What's that? Baking in
I'm
it?
giving it the smoke. Watch.
Oh yeah, cause your breath.
Ready?
You let me know if I feel.
It's so
Oh,
cold
is that
outside.
the
Some hot breath.
thingy?
Let me see the.
Oh, never mind.
See the what?
Let it with that one.
Good idea.
I think the
Let me see
papers
it.
will make it launch more.
His phone's gonna die.
Okay, let's see. I can see.
Here, hold this.
P.
My phone is
No.
nothing to wet.
You,
Here,
You said love.
film it, honey.
Here.
It's not clear.
Ready, guys?
Oh,
Wait.
Which way?
that was lame.
Josh, go.
Straight.
I want to shoot something.
Wait, what did you have?
I'm gonna cycle
I
over.
don't. I have these.
I'm gonna cycle over the
things.
fountain. I'm gonna cycle over the fountain.
Wait, was it you?
Wait. Tell the camera what you're doing.
I'm gonna cycle over the fountain.
No, say it louder.
I'm gonna cycle over the fountain.
It's really blurry.
Terrible idea.
Well, yeah,
It's
'cause-
really blurry.
Hey guys, where's my phone?
Terrible. Let's carry it. Yeah, this one.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we'll look at that one.
Yeah, I know. No.
Ting.
Who dropped the lighter?
Josh.
Doesn't matter.
We're making a video.
Never call it
What are y'all doing?
Wait, there's a
Smoke
tax.
I got the purple one. Dang.
All right.
All right. All right. All right.
All right.
If it would,
There we go.
oh, yes.
You wanna try to hold it or hold it from the bottom more? Not like that.
Oh, yeah.
Cool.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
I'm so cool.
Oh yeah.
so
So cool, bro.
You know what?
My grandpa can do better than that. He's dead.
Why does it burn me every time, dude?
Me neither. Me neither. Mine died like.
This is going on YouTube,
10
you
years.
guys.
Alright, y'all guys ready for the big finale?
Squeeze it.
Let's go.
Is this the last one?
Yeah.
Didn't even top.
I can take you to a pan. Let's go.
Alright, shine some light on it.
Oh wow. Okay.
Wait, those are lit already.
These are? Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
you shoved them in there? Dang.
Took a little already.
Okay, well.
Oh my god!
There we go.
I'm gonna stick that into there. Like that.
Why did sucker? My ear is broken. My ear is broken, bro. That was so close.
The tanks didn't explode.
Wait, are you allowed to hold the tanks?
Yeah.
Ow.
No, you're not. No.
My ear's ringing. That was so close.
Wait, you'll see.
No, it didn't hurt.
There you go. Let's see.
Wait, keep it on.
Yeah.
It's gonna be loud.
Oh, it's smoking.
Oh, that's actually kind of cool. It's like an actual tank.
I breathed in the smoke. Yeah, it shot out once. Put it on the top of the hill. Josh is finna hold it.
No, Josh, you don't hold it.
What's he gonna shoot?
It's supposed to go. It's a tank.
Damn.
I was actually gonna hold it for a second.
You could have.
Alright, guys.
Damn, bro, chill.
I'm a little too far there.
You drying?
Here, let's just jump. Throw it in the bag.
Yeah, I throw it in the bag.
I am the Lion King.
I'm ending the video. You got anything to say?
Do I have anything to say?
Yeah.
Stay tuned for more videos. Not tonight though, but like another time.
Yeah, let's take care of it, edit. You got anything to say, Josh?
Follow me on Instagram.
At what? I'll put it on the
It'll
screen.
be in the comment below.
In the comment?
In the description below.
In the
I'll
caption.
put it on the screen. I'll put it on her face. I'll put it on her
Put
face.
it on my face.
Yeah, I'll put it on your
Follow
face.
me out here.
Yeah, right up there. Yeah.
Watch it be nothing.
No, I'll put some. I'll put some.
Literally at.
You got anything to say? You got anything to say, Gabe?
Light it.
Light it. There you
Your
go.
mom or something.
Your mom.
Where's the bag?
Go to Grace.
Shove it
Go
in
to
the
Grace.
You got anything to say?
No.
No.
She's single, guys out there in the.
She's
in the
single
video.
and ready to mingle.
Yeah. At farmersonly.com. Look her up at
Christian Mingle.
Christian Mingle. Yeah, Christian Mingle. Yeah.
Christian single.
Christian Single.
Ah.
There we go.
This hurt my head.
Oh yeah, we get a lighter. Can't leave the lighter.
Yeah. Beautiful.
I think you I don't think you'll be able to do that.
Oh yeah. Pick up this plastic. There you go.
Christian single.
Yeah, we still have more.
Yeah, ChristianSingle.com.
ChristmasMingle.com.
Christmas Mingle? What the heck?
That's only if you want a date just for Christmas. So you can
Single.
get
Yeah, just so
and
you
then
can get
call it
gifts.
off
Yeah.
afterwards.
Yeah. for
Add
real.
me on Christmas Mingle
At what? I'll have to put it on the screen.
at Christmas Mingle.
Johnson, remember?
Oh yeah, add me on Christmas Mingle at Christmas Single. I buy good gifts.
Yeah.
And you give good gifts.
Are you
Yeah, I
gonna,
get great
you gonna
gifts.
say goodbye? You gonna
Yeah.
end the video? What are you gonna end it with?
Today we're gonna jump in a really cold pool for no dang reason.
No, fam.
For
we're
no
gonna-
dang reason?
Buy
Yes.
some of our merch
Yeah.
We're gonna.
at merchandise.com.
Merchandise.com.
Nah, fam, we're gonna go burn people.
Link in the comments.
Search the merch.
Search the merch.
Jump in, Josh. I dare you. I dare you.
I feel like
End it off. End it off.
30 seconds.
End it off.
oh, you thought.
What do you thought?